This is Courtney with A3J Group, and today I'm going to take the 1-minute challenge to download the MxApprove app, sign in, and start approving workflow assignments. We're going to start our timer, go to the Play Store, search for MxApprove, click install. It's going to quickly install, and we're going to open. We put in our Maximo credentials. Today we're going to sign in as Smith. And we're going to log in. It looks scary, but this is expected. We get an error message saying that we do not have read access to the workflow assignments. It tells us down here that we just need to contact our Maximo administrator to grant access to the MxAPI WF assignments object structure. So we'll go into Maximo. Let's sign in as Wilson. We'll come down here to security and users. We will look for Smith. And we'll look at the groups that Smith belongs to. So today we're actually going to grant permission to the technician group. So then we'll go to security group, click on the object structure tab, and click on filter. And I remember that it started with the WF in there for the workflow assignment. I'm going to grab them, read, and save access to this object structure. I'm going to save, return, and we'll sign out. We'll click back over, and we'll need to sign out and log back in order for that change to take place. Log in, and now you see that I have assignments. So it's going to be similar, or it's actually going to be the exact same as the assignments that are in your inbox on the Start Center. So this one was a work order, and I'll click on it here to open it up. The 3 dots will open up the more details, lets me know the work order number, has the description, any of the work type assets. So if I click the green button, it'll allow me to move it forward into the workflow. You have the option to add in a memo, and so we'll accept the task. And it's now been removed from my list. I did mean to point out here that on accept, we'll send the work order to the next approval. On reject, it'll cancel the work order. So we'll reject this one. This is going to be work order 1042. And if we click reject and reject task, now what I want to do is I want to come into Maximo. We'll sign back in, and we'll come down here and we'll look for work order 1042. To do it here. Nope, I'm a communication template. Okay, let's try work order tracking. Going too fast. And you'll see this one is canceled. Now, if we switch back over to my phone and we'll go to our timer. All right, so I did everything in 4 minutes. So well past the 1-minute mark, but in that 4 minutes, I was able to go to the store, download the application, log in, see that I had to make security changes, and then sign back in to Maximo, make those security changes, sign back into the application, and approve a work order and also cancel a work order.